Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a Zoom meeting. So in order to do this, first of all, open Zoom on your laptop or PC or mobile phone. Now, after you open Zoom, I'm going to first of all host a meeting. So I'm in a meeting right now. Now, as you can see, my audio is still working. Here, you can see the green bar on audio at the bottom right rising and getting down. So this means that the audio is working. In order to mute it, simply click once, that is left click on it. If you're on a PC or if you're a mobile phone or touchpad, just touch the audio button and it will instantly mute your audio on Zoom. You can click on this small arrow icon at the top of this audio. Now choose audio settings. Here we can see we have different kind of audio settings. Now simply scroll down on this page and navigate to the option that says mute my microphone when joining. When you check this button, you will instantly be muted at default when you'll be joining a Zoom meeting. That means no one will be able to hear your voice while you'll be joining your Zoom. So by doing this, you can default mute your audio on Zoom. And if you want to do it quickly, you can simply click on the audio button and mute your audio. You can also unmute it just by clicking once again on the audio, and that will do it. So that is how you mute a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.